Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for the disassembly and reassembly of your Dyson SV12. Start by unplugging your vacuum cleaner and removing the battery. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle apart. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it feels stuck. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. Inside, you will see the trigger mechanism. Take a moment to inspect it for any visible damage. If the trigger appears broken or malfunctioning, it's time to replace it. Carefully disconnect the old trigger by gently pulling it away from its housing. You may need to use your tweezers to assist in this process. Now take your new trigger and align it with the housing. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely fitted. Before reassembling the handle, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside. A soft brush or a cloth can help with this. Once everything is clean, reattach the handle by aligning it properly and pressing it back together. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could strip the plastic. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. After securing the screws, reinsert the battery and plug in your vacuum. Test the new trigger to ensure it functions correctly. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV12. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer professional assistance, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. You can also request a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In summary, replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 is a straightforward task with the right tools and a bit of patience. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your appliance and keep it performing at its best. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.